Hello, my name is Linda, and I'm the Library Associate for the Department of Environmental Protection Library. In this Maker's Day segment, we're going to have fun upcycling an old book into a tree using folded book art. I'm going to show you folding patterns for 3 different trees. So the items needed: an old book, and make sure this is one that's headed for the trash. The goal is to keep things out of the landfill. A utility knife, a flat surface to work on, and for optional, you can get a folding tool, and people call it a paper creaser. This really does help. Scissors, items for decorating the tree. I use old calendar photos. You can use beads, flowers, anything, and glue. So we're going to go over some just basic book anatomy. Of course, you have the 2 covers. That middle portion is the text block, and that heavier weight paper, you might have noticed, it's called the flyleaf. First, you're going to remove the text block from the cover. Using your utility knife, carefully cut the inside binding from one cover, getting close to the inside. It will look something like this. Here is one cover removed. Repeat with the other cover. Detach the text block from the cover. You can save that cover for use in other projects. If there is a flyleaf page, remove that also, and you can save that. That makes nice paper for other projects. The first tree will look like it has a trunk at the bottom. This looks best against a wall as a half tree, or you can glue 2 of the same sized books together. So it's time to start folding. If you notice the pages falling out, you can glue the binding and let it dry. So we're going to take the upper right corner of a page and fold it in so the corner meets the center. And this is where that folding tool comes in handy. Take the lower right corner and fold it so it meets the bottom of the previous fold. And you're going to do this about 100 more times, depending on the number of pages in your book. And I do recommend taking breaks. Don't try to do this all at once. Here's a finished half tree on the right and 2 trees together on the left. So for your second tree, this tree is going to have seamless folds all around. You're going to fold a page in half from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Open up the fold. Take the upper right corner and fold it so it meets the inside of the first fold. Refold the page so the smaller fold should be inside. So why do it this way? Why not just make the smaller fold, then the larger one? I found doing it that way, it bunches up. Doing it this longer technique gives the tree a nicer look. And the finished tree should look something like this. For your third tree, it's going to have a smaller layer towards the top. Fold a page in half from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Take the upper right corner and then fold it towards the main fold. And you're finished with that one. The finished tree should look something like this. You can leave them as is, or you can decorate them. Here are just a few examples. Just remember to be creative and to have lots of fun.